What's up, guys? How you doing? I hope you guys are having an awesome, wonderful day. Today here I'm with my daughter Layla. We're actually here. We're just taking some stickers of those games. So I thought, you know what? Let's make a video to show you how we can remove stickers very easily. I know some of you maybe knows how, but us, hey, we're trying to do it as a team. So let's go ahead. Hopefully it'll be helpful for some people. So let's go ahead and show you. So we have these stickers here. We can go ahead and do it slowly here. We feather it here slowly here in the back. See here on the edges, you take the edges slowly, which takes time. But if you have the patience, you'll be able to do it. But if you don't have the patience, it's not going to work. But you have to go really, because Walmart stickers are really hard. So I just keep doing this. Take it slowly. Slow, just from the edges here, you just take it slowly, and then I'm going to show you easier way of doing it. It's basically like this. Then you'll have, sometimes you'll have something like that, just easy for you to take it. So don't cut your nails when you do that. Make sure before you cut your nails to do all the stickers. But this is it. That's how you do it. Now the other way is much better. Take off the blood, please, Pip. Go. Oh, you know what? No, it's okay. I don't need it. So the other way you can do it is basically you just need to get a hair dryer like this one, very easy and simple. And I will let Layla do it. Come on, Layla. Okay. Show them how you do it. So you're gonna take that. You're gonna come, take one of these, and go ahead. And all what she's gonna do, if she can do it, everyone can do it. So let's go ahead and do it. We're gonna put it on low heat, and we're just gonna feather it like how she's doing it. Go ahead. She's been helping me the whole day with how to do it, so hopefully you guys really can, benefit from it. Try always like to do it on the edges here, and slowly will be fine. It just usually takes a minute or so, and then it'll be good. So I'm just gonna let her do it now a bit. She's doing it, but that's what I need to do. Sometimes these video games, it becomes really hard to do. It takes time consuming, but if you have a heat gun, or even you can use glue gun if you want glue gun. I don't. I use the heater, or I just use my fingers slow, and I do them. But hey, let's show you and let's see what happens. How easy this one's gonna go. How's Layla? Is good? Yeah. Working hard or hardly working?
Hard.
Good. Work hard all the time.
Yep.
Let's make it happen, right?
And the blow dryer, it's hot, so it's gonna melt the sticker down to make it more easier.
Yes, takes the glue from the back of the stickers to make it easier and easier. You're right, 100%. My girl, do it. Here, she's gonna keep doing it. I'm gonna come back here. It's a mess. It's a mess. We're doing. It's a mess. But hold a second. Let's do that. Now we're done. I'm gonna take it. Here, the same thing, and I'm gonna just take the edges. It's much easier now already, but thank you so much. And I'm just like a little bit. I'm gonna give it time, a little bit here. See, oh wow, it's going so easy. Look how 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 easy. Booyakasha! Done. This is it. Look, that's so nice. Comparing to how it comes out like this if you do it by hand regularly. So this one is much easier. So guys, I hope that was really helpful for you. This is me and my daughter work like a team. So guys, keep doing it, keep hustling, and let's make it all happen. And hopefully we get more videos like that. So peace out. Say it.
Peace.
Peace out. Take care, guys.